Looking for the right vehicle? Check out the 2019 Tacoma. Toyota Tacoma boasts a roomy interior, a powerful V6 option, and excellent off-road capability, and has been named the best-selling compact pickup by MotorIntelligence.com 5 years in a row. This vehicle has less than 15,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: sliding rear window, bed liner, alloy wheels, traction control system, daytime running lights, fog lights, outside temperature gauge, power sunroof, navigation system, backup camera. This beauty will make even your house keys jealous. Drive it today.
This is a one-owner vehicle with a Carfax Vehicle History Report. Be sure to find a complimentary copy of this report online or contact the dealership. This vehicle qualifies for the Carfax Buyback Guarantee.